right, Danielle, you go, man. No, not yet. We don't want to do the feet reaching yet. Helps.
You're just getting used to the shift.
At least it helps. Whoa! Man.
Some good shots.
Oh, yes, I am. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's hard to balance there.
I know that's a challenge.
Yeah, because basically what happened was
Doing some warm up?
way down here. So there's no way to climb up. So come up from here so that she could.
Wow. Wow. No, I hate to have that bicycle in the way. It's blocking. It's going to jeopardize the camera.
Yeah, we had about 110.